Right. So, hi everyone. This is Kavita Wilson, Manager India for Eton College. You are live with My Global Connect today, and My Global Connect is one of the authorized partners of Eton College, based out of Ahmedabad. आज के सेशन में we are going to discuss majorly about the location, programs, admission requirements, and the recent discounts that we have for students for Eton College. So going ahead, talking about the location, Eton College established हुआ था 2003 में. So हमारा college एक 18 years old college है, located in Vancouver downtown. That's in British Columbia. If you see the surroundings of the college, we have like 97 plus hotels, motels, and resorts located around the campus. That means for you as a student, you have got tremendous part-time job opportunity available around the campus itself. Nearest airport अगर आप देखें, it is Vancouver International Airport, which is just 16 kilometers away from the campus. And we have Vancity Metro Station, which is just 1 minute away from the campus. So overall, campus location is pretty strategic in terms of easy accessibility to public transportation, and also in terms of easy accessibility, like to public transportation, and tremendous part-time job opportunity available for the students. Climatic condition of Vancouver is well known. It has got one of the pleasant climatic conditions, with summers being 25 to 27 degrees, winters being 2 to -5 degrees. Now going ahead, talking about the accreditations of Eton College. So we are certified by EQA, which is Education Quality Assurance. We fall under PTIB regulation. We fall under category 1 in terms of British Columbia Ministry ranking, and हमारा college एक DLI approved college है. You can refer to our DLI number on CIC.Canada website. Also going ahead, if you see the programs at Eton College, majorly हम diploma programs offer करते हैं, जिसके completion के बाद आप eligible होते हो for a smooth progression to one of the partner universities, and these are public partner universities in Canada itself. To name a few, we have articulation options available with Capilano University, Royal Road University, Vancouver Community College, and University Canada West. We also have got City University of Seattle, जो कि एक US based university है, and they have a Vancouver campus. Now let's discuss the programs in detail. So going ahead, talking about the programs that we offer, we have wide range of programs that we offer to international students. The very first is 2+2 degree option. So we have got business administration with majors in hospitality management. इस program के completion के बाद आप eligible रहते हैं to transfer your credits to either Royal Road University or to Vancouver Community College towards a bachelor's in hospitality management. Next program that you have is business administration, majors in travel and tourism management. So basically this is again a 16 months program at Eton, followed by a progression to Capilano University or Royal Road University towards a bachelor's in tourism management. Next program that we have is diploma in business administration. Diploma in business administration leads you to a progression either to City University of Seattle towards a bachelor's of business administration, or to University Canada West towards a bachelor's of commerce degree. The next program that you have is diploma in travel and tourism management. So this is basically a diploma leading to a diploma or a bachelor's degree in Capilano University towards a tourism management program. We also have got a unique program, which is flight attendant preparation course, which is like diploma in travel, tourism, and flight attendant preparation course. Now this is basically again leading you to a progression to Capilano University towards a diploma or a bachelor's in tourism management. Now going ahead, talking about the admission requirements at Eton, we only look for two things. One is your grade 12, wherein we look for 55% in your grade 12, no subjects below 45, and we look for one of the English language requirements to be met. So you should have an IELTS of 6 overall, no modules less than 5.5. Other than IELTS, we are also accepting TOEFL. We take 61 in TOEFL. PTE is also accepted. We take 54, no modules less than 48. And Duolingo test of English, we are taking a score of 105 to 110. So out of these 4 English language requirements, any one is mandatory for you to meet. Going ahead, talking about the academic gap. So we take a gap of 4 years with justification. Justification can be your work experience letter, or it also can be a diploma mark sheet. And talking about the mathematics, so Eton College, we do not require require mathematics for admission in our programs. Progression to university, students can study maths preparatory course at Eton College, wherein we do not offer accounting. And some programs we already have accounting as a part of your subject, so that will help you for a smooth progression to the university. Now talking about the application fees, currently we are offering a waiver in the application fees. We still have another 2 days left for September 21. We will be closing September 21 soon. So in case if you are looking for September 21 admissions, you can apply until Saturday, like that's tomorrow. So you can apply until tomorrow late evening, and after that September intake will be closed. The next intake that's open will be January 22 intake, and again, like right now we have an application fees waiver for Jan 22 intake as well. Going ahead, talking about the tuition fees. So at present Eton College is offering a huge discount in the tuition fees for the international students. Discounts on your tuition fees varies from program to program. Some programs have got a discount of 3,500 CAD. Some programs have got a discount of 8,000 CAD on the tuition fees. So that's a huge discount that we are offering just to support you during the pandemic situation. Now going ahead, talking about why should somebody study at Eton College. So at Eton College, every program that we offer, we have got internship attached to it. These internships are arranged by the college, and your internship hours vary from 150 to 300 hours depending upon the program you choose. Also, we have a small class size, so we have a batch of 30 students, and that's because we want to have a good student to faculty interaction ratio. We have unique credit transfer options available. Let me quickly repeat it for you. So we offer transfers within Canada to Capilano University, Royal Road University, Vancouver Community College, University Canada West, and City University of Seattle Vancouver campus, wherein the students can take a progression towards completing their bachelor's or a diploma program from the respective university. Okay, now let me tell you quickly, once you complete your program from the Progression University, you do get eligible for a post-study work visa as well. The duration of your post-study work visa will depend upon the program that you choose at Progression University. And very, very important is, as I said, every program we are offering a discount at present. So discount varies from 3,500 CAD to 8,000 CAD. So that's a huge discount. Okay, now viewers, let's quickly have a view on facts and figures of tourism industry in British Columbia. So if you see, British Columbia is known for tourism, with Vancouver being the third largest tourist destination in Canada. There, like air transportation being the largest service industry, at Eton College we offer you unique service-based and career-focused program. Very, very important is we also give you internships, so you also earn some hands-on work experience while you study at Eton College. And the most important is, like, not everybody studies mathematics in their grade 12, right? So if you still would like to take admission at university, you can always choose Eton as a pathway to the university. We do not require mathematics for admission at Eton College. Progression to university, if you are studying business program, you will study accounting. That suffices your maths requirement. Where you are not studying, you can always take accounting as an additional subject. It will be a 1-month program. Okay, with this we come towards the end of the session. Viewers, in case if you have any questions, I will wait for a couple of seconds. Please type your questions in the comment section. Viewers, I would request, please type your comments in the your queries in the comment section, and I would like to answer your questions. In case if you do not have any question right now, you can always connect with My Global Connect in future, and they'll be able to guide you with your application and your admission process. So thank you for participating in this webinar. Have a great day. Stay safe.